Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, welcome. I'm Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how to do a really cool super neon water marble design, not just using regular nail polishes but some stamping polishes. Of course these are regular stamping polishes, so you don't have to cure them like gel polishes, and it is so easy to do and a lot of fun as well. You can do this on natural long nails like I have right here, or you can do it on really short nails as well. It really doesn't matter how long your nails are, as long as you have some nails to put this water marble on, if you know what I mean. So yeah, if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. It is a lot of fun and you can do this with every single color you can imagine. But first up, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Welcome to my little nail family, and yeah, I hope you like it. So yeah, to start off, you want to start with clean nails. Of course, apply a base coat and a white base first. For the white base, I actually used a stamping polish as well. This one is by Nicole Diary. All of the polishes that I'm using in this particular design video are by Born Pretty Store, but most of them actually are stamping polishes, such as these neon colored ones you see right here. I will just show you all of the names and the colors up close and personal, so you know which ones I've used. This first one is called Shannon Macarons. This one isn't as much of a neon as the others, but I didn't really have like a super vibrant blue color from this particular like stamping polish collection, and I did want to add a little bit of blue in there, or a little bit of a tinge of bluishness. But yeah, the next one is called Look Back. This is definitely one of my favorite colors that I used for this design. It's just so vibrant. It's a hot pink, like a Barbie pink, and you guys know that I love my pink colors. Next one is a neon orange. Again, as a Dutch girl, I love this one so much. This one is called Stop Us, and of course on the bottom on the stickers you can actually see from what collection they are from. I'm not quite sure if I still have the links to all of the polishes that I'm using here, but you can definitely check it out on bornprettystore.com yourself, and of course use my 20% discount code that you can find in the description box and the pinned comment as well. But I also used a beautiful neon yellow one I just showed you, and this beautiful like highlighter green color as well. This one is called Fist Fight. It is just such a cool color, and usually I'm not a big green color fan when it comes to my nails or fashion or anything like that, but this color is pretty cool. So what do you need to do a design like this is a ball and needle, or maybe even a dotting tool with a pointy end, and just a little bit of boiled filtered water. Of course you make sure that it's cooled down to like room temperature before you go in with your polishes. So first up I'm going in with that macaron kind of like bluish periwinkle shade. Then I'm going in with the pink, with the orange, the yellow and the green. The thing is with these, like usually when I do water marbles I just dunk in all 5 nails at a time, but because I'm using these like thicker substance polishes, I'm only doing 1 finger at a time, or 1 nail at a time. These polishes, these stamping polishes, dry really fast, and you can actually see that first color already being so extremely dry, because there's of course oxygen in water as well, you know, H2O. And that is why you have to work really fast. But if you do apply those drops pretty quickly, just let the first one spread out. That's like totally fine. If you work quickly with the other colors and just swirl your little design in there with the needle, dunk your finger in there, it is perfectly fine. And it actually doesn't take a lot of time to dry while it's on your nails, because you know, they're stamping polishes. They dry really fast anyways. But just a quick little tip, what I love doing while doing a water marble and not dunking all 5 fingers at a time into the water, is just to clean the water in between each time you're going to dunk in some nail polish. I just use a little like cotton tip for that, like a Q-tip or something like that. You can use the needle for that as well, or even a dotting tool with maybe a little bit of like a cotton round on there. Just make sure that the surface of your water is pretty much like 90% clean. That's like good enough. I'm not going to spread out these polishes like throughout the entire bowl that I'm using. Oh, and by the way, the bowl that I do use, I've mentioned this in previous videos as well. I have had this glass bowl for ages, like a long long time, like years. And I think I bought it for like 60, maybe 70 cents. And because it's glass, it's really easy to remove the excess nail polish if there's still something in there. Just use some acetone or something like that and you won't damage the bowl anyways. And it's just really nice to have something that's durable and you don't have like a lot of waste and all that jazz when doing water marble designs. So yeah, here you can see me actually removing the excess polish once I have dunked in my pointer finger. The one thing that I wanted to mention is that the like 4 neon colors, like the pink, the yellow, the green and the orange, they are so opaque that actually that like periwinkle kind of color doesn't really show up that well. Like, it's such a shame. I really thought it would be more opaque, but yeah, it doesn't really matter anyways, because that way you can actually still see a little bit of that white peeking through. And the reason why I had white polish applied on forehand, I think I did it like an hour before I started recording this video, so I made sure that was completely dry before actually doing the water marble design, is like white colors underneath bright colors really make the colors even more bright and really pop. So that is a little tip that I can give you guys, that if you might want to do this with like a black base, the neon colors might not be as bright or not come across as bright in real life as they would be on top of a white base. So that is just one tip I want to give you guys, that if you are doing a water marble, a white base just works wonders. It can make any color pop and I just really love it. Or like if you want to do a black or very dark water marble, of course you can use a black base if you want to, but then just make sure that the other colors that you're using are really opaque and will definitely show up when doing a water marble. But another little tip that I wanted to give you, because I'm using quite a lot of stamping polish, there might be a little bit of too much polish on the nail, which makes it like dry really slowly. One thing you can do is just press your finger against the nail and just slightly drag it, capping in the free edge of the nail as well. That way you're already capping in your entire nail, making sure you don't get any tip wear or chipping or something like that, and you remove the excess polish right away when doing that. That's just a little thing that I actually learned from Robin Moses Nail Art. Definitely check her channel out as well. She deserves so much more subscribers and she has taught me so much when it comes to like freehand nail art or even drag marbles and stuff like that. She is such an awesome nail artist, and just check her out if you haven't subscribed on her yet, because she's so cool. And yeah, she's just definitely one of those channels that I can't stop watching. I just love her and her work so much, and she's been doing nails for like 25 years already. Like, she's a die-hard nail artist, like, and a really good one as well. So yeah, that was just a little side note while I'm just continuing doing these little water marbles. Of course, you can do this design with regular polishes as well, especially if you're going to do them on top of a white base. Regular neon nail polishes work well for this too, but because I really wanted to make these pop and I just really wanted to use some of my stamping polishes just a little bit more often, not just for stamping, because stamping polishes are quite versatile. You can use them for a lot of cool nail arts and not just stamping. I just really wanted to use these, so I did. It's really easy to do, and of course if you do work like really fast, I also didn't speed up this video whatsoever, so you can actually see me work in real life, real time. It doesn't take a lot of time. Like, the most time you will be spending on cleaning up around the nail, like on the cuticle area or around the finger or around the nail, I have to say, like the skin around the nail. That's like the most time you'll be spending finishing up this design, because we are working with stamping polishes. Those are very like quick drying already, and yeah, doing the marble designs into the water and with the polishes isn't a lot of work either. So yeah, I just really wanted to share this design with you so much, because I'm just really excited because of it, and I love my bright colors. And I do think that in this time in life, in the world, we can all use just a little bit of positivity and just some bright colors and just fun, and just have some relaxing me time while doing your nails. the last thing you want to do is just let your design sit for a little bit and just clean up around the edges. Maybe you have used some liquid latex or any other kind of protection barrier, but I just used one of my like angled brushes and a little bit of nail polish remover to get rid of like most of the polish. It's totally fine if you do have a little bit of polish still on the skin or anything like that. Just clean it up as good as possible, because I actually still had a little bit of that orange polish that was seeped right into the cuticle area, and I just couldn't remove it without damaging the entire design that was on my pinky nail. So yeah, stuff like that happens. But I am adding a matte top coat to this design, and for some strange reason only my thumbnail was matte. After waiting for like 10 minutes, the other nails just stayed a little bit of like semi-glossy or something. I don't even know what was going on with that, but I didn't have enough time to actually wait for like half an hour to do this entire like outro video part. So yeah, sorry about that, but this set was supposed to be matte. As you can see here on the thumb, that one was perfectly matte. I don't know what happened to the other ones. Maybe there was like some strange like chemical reaction or something between the matte top coat and the neon polishes, but I don't know what happened there. Sorry about that. I really tried to do a matte design, you know. I really tried. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is actually already the entire video. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Of course, don't forget to use my 20% discount code, which is FEM20, if you're going to order something yourself from Born Pretty store. But thanks for watching, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.